Good morning, guys. Hello baby here. Welcome to this vlog, very special. And guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Shall depend the time where you're watching this vlog for today. And actually guys, today it's a bright morning as you can see. And I want to say thank you so much for those people watching my videos. May God bless you. And I want to say thank you God for the gift of life, for giving me good health, and to see amazing day like this. I want to say God thank you so much. And let me do my part as a Hello Baby official. And right now guys, I was making some cleanness inside my house, and to make sure before I move from here maybe to the next destination, I make sure that my house it's purely clean anytime, because I like cleanness, guys. So today there is some small part which are remaining in terms of plumbing. And previous day I missed maybe some material for the plumbing, actually for things like elbow and some small part. So I supposed to finish today, because I'm not sure of that. Maybe it's on rain today or tomorrow. And guys, today don't be worried, my baby is not around, because sometime when the gas went off, me can park anywhere. So right now, maybe from noon time, you can see me having my baby, because it helped me a lot going to plumber's place, taking him and coming around, everything. So my baby is helping me a lot. And for now I have like 3 days without riding my baby. It's because of the gas, but today I wanna put the gas. Sometime let me say this. When maybe when you have a motorbike and you are driving or taking people from one place to another, you can get money and fill the gas. Sometime I can get when I'm going to Border Town and I have maybe some like $2, I put gas. And when I didn't get people, I'm just hustling around looking for the content. So that is it. So today my big aim is to finish up. Let me show you guys. I want to close my house before I move. You know me, I'm just moving like that, guys. Oh my god, what's happening here? So, and then I'm trying to make this here. Oh, like, it's good when you leave your house and like this. So I left this part for fresh air going inside, coming outside. So today these videos are very special, and guys, don't miss these videos. In case you're new here and you haven't subscribed, guys, please subscribe. Love is for free. So today's work, I'm going actually to the plumber, purchasing something. And although I have some money, I have some material which are going to actually for the pipe. So he gave me some 2 pipe long, like this black one here, and some other things. So today I make the payment also. And I bought this elbow here, 1 2 3 and 4 for here. So that's the things that mess up, and things have not completed. But today, guys, trust me, I brought my plumber here. Everything shall be finished up. You can see even here, because of that elbow. If you don't know the elbow, guys, of plumbing, let me show you. Maybe you know the elbow, but you forget it. So it's this one here. So I missed like 5 of them. You see, this one is an elbow. You can see like here you have 2 elbow, 1, and also you have another one here. This is an elbow 2. So that is the work for today. And Anytime when it's raining, we don't fear, man, because right now you can imagine the pipe is running from there coming this way, man, and we have the pipe, we have the tap here. This is the tap, you see. So the reason why I didn't put the tap here, guys, it's because sometimes when you put the tap here and this place is too small, my mom needs to pass, and let me say technically some locomotion movement here, up and down. So that's why I'm trying to put this tap here, and to save time, you can fetch water from here, going to kitchen and cooking, fetching water from here, going to our bathroom, which is I didn't finish up, but I want to work on it on this week, going on other side. So far so good. 90% I finish up install the water tank and everything. So 10% I will cover today. So that is my work for today. And then I need maybe enough time when I finish up one thing after the other. I don't want, maybe I'm on tank, I'm on my toilet there. So maybe sometime the time will be confused. So I want to finish maybe it's tank, and then I go outside, guys. And if you're watching this video keenly, you wanna be making some smile, you know. So this one here, I'm going to work today and everything. And also there's some part here, there's some lid for covering here to prevent water coming this way. I'm going to purchase them. Wow guys, welcome, I'm outside. Wow. So that being said, earlier I supposed to finish one thing after the other. After fixing those elbow and connecting the pipe which are remaining today, and by God grace tomorrow I'm going to start installation of the tiles, guys, trust me. So it depends our time, but today I'll make some quotation for the tiles, so to see whether it can push me like 3 rooms or 2 rooms, and then we move like that, guys. So we stand with me since all my struggling up to now, and I want to say, guys, you made it possible, and I'm trying to change my mom's lifestyle, and also I'm trying to change my life in other way. So you can see the properties is here, and believe on it, guys. So by tomorrow I'll start when I get the mason earlier, I'll start fixing the tiles, because the hectic issue was first washroom and second washroom. It's somehow big or somehow large or big, but the toilet are too small, you know. So I'm trying to work. When I'm start from there, I'll working for the washroom and toilet. So let me go closer, guys, at least you see what I'm talking about. I hope my mom should have already opened the door, guys. Yeah, they have already opened the washroom. So we're talking about this one. You can see it's somehow big or large. So I want to start inside here, and on the wall it can goes to 15 tiles, 15 box, I mean. Sorry guys for that. On the wall we have already made measurement. It can goes 15 boxes on one washroom like this one, because it's somehow large, and on the wall and also on the floor. When they finish up here it depends. I will paint here because you can't fix tiles. Well, wow, so that is it. You can see even the mark. So the only thing remaining here is to fix tiles. Boom, 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 boom. Pam, 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 pam. You shall see. Maybe, I'm not sure, maybe today or tomorrow. But 100% tomorrow. 100%. So today I'll go to make the quotation and maybe brought some mason here to measure for me some number of ties that I needed, because the small amount of money that I have, I want to start for that. And Mom, I want to say thank you so much for your support. May God bless you all the time. I can't mention your name. It's maybe between me and you, it's privacy. The rest of the people, just watch my videos, don't skip ads. That is the best way you can support Hello People Official. And also, guys, if you wish to support on tiles, you can help. You know, your support are very, very special for me. And I'm trying to run this building here that you see. I know for the haters, they wanna say, oh, but for me, guys, me, I don't care, man. If I'm your son and I don't care about the haters, guys, trust me, that is it. And I'm straightforward, you know. So for now, I didn't go inside my house or inside our compound. Right now, I'm heading to Nyabohansi because I didn't have my baby. Wow. So before that, let me check other side materials, you know. Wow, guys, you can see how my beautiful home looks like, guys. Look, this is my dad's home. This is my grandma's home, man. Look, both of them. You can see. You see from the far end, this is where I'm born and raised, guys, on this ground. Wow. So after this, I'm heading to Nyabohansi right now. Whew. But I forget to wear the shoes. I'm going back. Wow. Alright. This is my mom's materials for the dream house, but I've already used things like sand, stones, and also balance stones within here. So when maybe I finish up the toilet, I will add, when I get the money, guys, I will add one after the ad. So that is it. You heard the birds? They are jumping, guys. Wow, guys. So right now, guys, I'm going to change my my sandals right now, because this one I can't walk with it. It's okay, but I'm trying to think maybe 3-bedroom it can fix here, and I'm concerning on that because our place is too small somehow, and I'm trying to fix that in my mom's house here, you know. So these videos, it's a kind of memory. So today I'm talking this, but less than 1 year when it's happened, you have the memory. So I'm changing my shoes and I'm ready to go, guys, you know. So this wall somehow short, so when you're coming from outside, you must be very careful here. You see, you might knock your head here. So one day I will push this house to other side, so the gate will be there. Wow. I want to take my shoes, guys, so I'll be inside earlier. Just over here. Oh, this one here. I want to exchange, guys. Imagine. Why not? So this one is for going for the bathroom, taking shower. Wow. So the time's running up. Wow, guys. So right now I'm okay, and I'm going right now to Nyabohansi. to make my issue 1, 2, 3 and to see whether I can take my baby. And where I left, actually the place where I left my baby is secure enough because I left at Villa Mendelin. That's where I left my baby there. So I will take the we calling gasoline or the petrol from border town. I went to the Villa Mendelin, I top up and then I start riding. So I'm heading this way, guys. So normally I'm trying to pass this way because I have some small walk road here to meet the tarmac, to meet the Muram road or the main road other side. Wow. Hey. Oh man, I'm so confused. I forget the jacket. Oh, wow. Guys, sorry for that. I forget the jacket because when I'm on my motorbike I need to wear the heavy clothes like jacket, but that one you can wear in any time, you know. I forget my jacket, guys, serious. So you know, first thing when I wake up in the morning is to take my phone, to take my camera and also the key for my motorbike and the jacket, and then I'm ready to go. Wow guys, it's a beautiful morning. As you can see outside, this is how my village looks like. Fertile land. This land is fertile, man. Wow. So I'm so sorry, guys. I'm so sorry. Mama, say hello.
Hello.
Yes, that's my mom. You know, I forget my jacket. Woo. Right now, guys. Yeah, because of time, you know, I was rushing up because of time to see whether I can get the plumber, and at the same time I'm rushing to border town because my baby doesn't have the gasoline or the fuel. So let me take my jacket. It's dark here, but you understand me, guys. So this is my jacket here. Wow guys, just a minute. Oh, this is my jacket here. Oh guys, so it's time to wear my jacket. It's time to wear my jacket and ready to go. You know what I mean, guys? So because maybe when it's rain and I'm outside from my home far away, I wanna do what, guys? Wow. Try to wear this jacket. Wow. I'm okay. Oh. Wow. So let's close this and then wow. Alright guys, because of time we're just moving out. This is my chicken. I only have one chicken, guys. It's so crazy. Hi mama, kwaheri.
Hi.
Yes. I'm telling my mom kwaheri. These are Swahili words. Means mom, goodbye. for in good way. Well guys, because of time and I didn't have my baby, I'm supposed to rush off. Wow, imagine from here up to Nyabuhansa Center or Nyabuhansa Market there, I can walk around 20 minutes. I will be there, but when I have my baby, it's 5 minutes riding. Wow. Hey, East Africa, Kenya, guys. Wow. Woo. This is your son, Hello Baby official. Show me some love and you know, love and peace and unity. It can build my entire life, you know. Wow. Even our cows are inside here in this forest. Yeah, so you can see there's our cow. We have another one right there and another far end. Okay guys, and in case you missed these videos, every day I wanna saying this as my key point. If you find these videos and you haven't subscribed, guys, please subscribe and show me some love, you know. So I'm heading this way, but this road also you can use going to border town, but it's far from here. And also when you reach there, at the end of these trees, going this way, we are going back home. Wow. I walk like today is the 4th day without my baby, so at least I make exercise. I can't complain on that. It's good sometimes, you know, to make exercise. So, oh, people are calling me. Hello. Hello. Poa. Ndo unateremka hivi.
Umefika wapi?
Nimefika hapa Duvesco.
Si uteremke na kungoja hapo kwa gate kwa kinyozi za pump maji basi.
Sasa hapa nataka niende nione plumber ja.
Oh sawa, ama basi tu.
Una mafuta?
Yes, nimekuja kuna mafuta ya 500.
Sasa ungesubiri tupampu saa 8.
Saa 8 ni wewe.
Sasa mimi lazima nione plumber aje malizire manini alibaki. Oh guys, I was talking with Mr. Gake to see how things comes. So all right. Beyond on that, so I was saying this, technically, you know, me and Mr. Gake, we left there and sometime we see the work which have been maybe supposed to do. So right now we're supposed to pump water, which is a good thing. So we are going there, we use like 30 minutes and then I'm going to my place. Wow. So let me use time. So I'm supposed to call him again or I'll go. Yeah. So even like me yesterday I was been there and I think that water is supposed to be pumped. Let's go. Wow guys, because I didn't have my baby guys, so stay tuned. We shall meet for the next videos. It depends maybe where you can watch this vlog for 2 minutes. Oh guys, it's a good safari time. Yes. Woo.
Yeah. What's up, man?
What's up, man? Wow, even the motorbike are parking on the road, guys. Wow. Yes, they're moving checkers here. Credo. Oh yeah.
Kapatid ka na makarapas. Hayo ba korokota?
Oh guys, if you remember yesterday when the guy who deliver bricks, guys, with on motorbike. Hey, kuna bumps hapa. Where my sister Lan and my brother here. Oh guys, God is good. I got the Samaritan. Cow, the beautiful cow, guys, over there. So I'm almost few minutes. Fancy. So let's see whether I can catch Mr. Ganki with our journey. So I left and Ekiori. Wow, so this is never city. Look at the helicopter, guys. Masubo! So guys, I want to see whether I can catch Mr. Gaki with our journey. I hope you have more. Why did they do the corner? Well guys, so I'm from Border Town. This is the gasolino here. So I'm going to add on my motorbike, and then my baby started driving me because I'm supposed to take my plan. Upcoming new petrol station over there, guys. Wow, imagine the gasolino here, all petrol. So I changed the next Boda rider, guys. So right now I'm heading to so I'm going to put my baby gasolina, and then I'll go to pick my plumber. Then they will have to finish it. Oh guys. baby. And then I'm at the gasoline. Hapa pa kupiga koni, kona ni mbaya. Yes guys, we have a sharp corner here. Wow guys. Nataka tutega nini gani? Nataka tutega nini gani? Kama ngana kao kama. Hata leo matanga kutunani. Hata biara hara. Tunataka mchango. Hata ni kuru turante biga. Tunara. Turanda ni rigano tazikira no kwa msimu. Utebinga. No renge dipura hata kama ni. Ya kama. Kira mangana kao. Kisi. I'm still going guys to meet my lady, and I have the gasolino here. That was seen earlier, but I changed the driver because in the morning I was in border town with the other driver, so the price reached at my hands. And then I supposed to take the money to change another driver and to go home. Woo. Look at that gate, guys. Hey. New life, guys. The road. He must be very professional driver.
Like me here.
Like you here.
Yeah. You know, I'm used to this road.
Hey. Oh.
Baba, runko habari kama kena kama.
Era correct.
Baba, reboli chikai.
Pero mas tumekimbia mwaka mzima kuja itabo.
Kirisi. Na chera nono tairo ronde nono rusira.
Guys, from the far end there's villa, and maybe I want to catch maybe Mr. Gake to do what? To pump water. So because of time, wow, welcome for the second home, guys. So it's time to pay you money. I'm gonna put my gasoline down. On the unaona ngapi? Kuna coin sehemu.
Ego mnokobara.
Nitakupana na masiringi ngota. Yeah.
Thank you very much.
Okay, you welcome, bro.
You know I'm a professional rider.
Okay, bye.
I see you.
Okay, nice time.
Nice time too.
Okay. Well guys, so welcome again to my second home. This is home, man, my second home. And actually my baby is here, you see. It stay here for the 4 days. Oh wow, this is my baby here. So it can help me in terms of going looking for my carpenter, and also purchasing things like ties from border town. Oh wow. So I hope I have some key on my pocket. I think so. Inside my pocket here. Wow. Because I remember I was putting the key here on my pocket. Yeah, this one here. This is my key for my bike, guys. Wow. And after this, I'm going to check the plumber. So I need the work to be complete today. Today. So let's put the gasolino here. Inside here, guys. Oh! At least to avoid walking or doing this. No gasoline here. So I put this one here. The rest because it hasn't some water. Yeah, this one is having water. And it stay here for 3 days. Today is 4 days, 4th day. Oh, not doing on part of starter, guys. Let's try on the kick part. Okay, it's okay, and when it starts running, it won't gain that heat. So wow, guys, let's move. I want to see Mr. Gak. Oh guys, I'm trying to call Mr. Gake and to see what is going on. So far so good. I thank God, man, for the gift of life, because sometimes, man, my bike, it can walk. So, and maybe in the other way, the gasoline will miss, and then I understand my situation. I'm supposed to walk. So right now a little bit I'm gonna help Mr. Gaki to pump water. So I'm heading this way to see, because I was receiving the call from Mr. Gaki and then I was rushing. Gaki! Let me see him, guys. You know, because I told him I have my plumber and I'm supposed to first thing to go to Border Town. So here, guys, I doesn't have gumboot, but I'm trying my best. Imagine. Oh. Alright. So I wanna say sorry for today, because of time and all stuff. Mr. Geki was working alone, but sorry for this. Sorry, because of time. Kumbe umeshamaliza. Ndio nimeenda kwanza mpaka boda. Nenda nimefuata mafuta. Mimi nilikupita nikakuulizia. Oh guys, so it's supposed to be other side to direct the pipe, and maybe when there is some small issue, we solve it, guys. Whew. Wow, guys, you see water is running. You are so blessed, man, in the village here. You have free water, so right now I can't pass in there because it doesn't have gumboots. Oh, imagine it's cleaning all the way going this way. Wow. So because it doesn't have the gumboot, I don't want to interfere passing there. Wow, guys, try to imagine. Oh, imagine I'm walking here. Wow. So let's see, guys. Wow. Guys, for me, I appreciate because you show me some love, and every day I wanna say thank you so much. Thank you so much, you know. And technically, if you're honest and patient, guys, nothing can stop you. Nothing. Wow. So supposed to pull this pipe. Imagine the water reach here. It's real. Wow. Nivute? Yes, I'm telling you something. Hapo. Aya, acha nivute hapo. Yes, vuta means to pull. Pull. There's water inside there. When they start pumping, I wanna take it all the way. Going. Ilikuwa imefika kwa mwisho. Vuta means pull. Push. You're calling push is this way. Pulling. Push. So this one that I'm doing here is to pull. Oh, I think it's supposed to be like this, and to avoid corner. Yes, I want to kill this angle. Like that way, and then hey, so the water is running. Some few minutes you will see how this pipe will be react. You wait. I will see. Wow, so let me confirm whether the water is running. Wow. How are you? How are you? How are you? Okay, all right. So guys, because of time, I'm supposed to see where the water is going to the fish pond. Hey, Jaman. Wow, wagwan. What is coming? Wow, guys. Wow, wow. Wow, wow. Wow, wow. Wow, wow. Wow, wow. Wow, wow. Yes, guys. Yesterday, congrats, mom. She was washing this puppy here. Two of them. Wow, wow. Wow, wow. Wow, wow. Hey, I love the puppy, guys. Wow, wow. Wow, wow. They are praying, guys. Wow, wow. Oh, guys.
So I had to stop it. As you can see, guys, for now, no more leaking. So here is good.
This one is okay.
Let it just be over there like that.
So no one adjusting.
Like it was like this, you know.
When maybe I realize when I'm pulling and the water is coming with the force here.
Just even do this.
Yeah,
Here. You know, actually, guys, this place, I've just tightened it. Like the only thing is that going and do the, like, because as I told you earlier, is that we are just going to be doing like 4 to 5 days pumping the water. So I decided that, like, because we have a lot on our schedule for here, so I decided that not only that every day when I want to pump, go bring, come, fix. So I decided that it should just be lying over here the grass because no one should just disturb it. But
You find a crazy situation today.
yeah. So, but everything, guys, just amazing. So let me just do this too.
Only the work you do there is to open here and then you push the pipe.
Yeah.
Be careful because inside you have water.
Who's calling? Let me just check.
Well, guys, so we solved the issue because the place where we are connecting the pipe like this way, because I was pulling and then the water come with a lot of force, so it adjust here. So right now Mr. Gake tightening here, so he was the one who know how to tighten this pipe. Wow. And for now the reason why for me I remain inside the compound is to check the pipe. And Mr. Gake went to other side, outside of the compound, to accelerate the generator on and then to pump. Guys, because today it's on raining and I supposed to run. Well, guys, I have the chicken which I was brought in here. It has some chicks. Wow. So I don't want a binding window here.
How many only need black list there?
I tell you, want to come here. Oh, guys. You're supposed to see whether what is running. Hello.
Hello.
Ndio nimetoka.
Nimetembea mpaka hapa kwa kina Goko.
Goko wapi? Nisubirie hapo, acha matani.
Mungu mwenyewe nimefika hapa hata karibu kufika kwa polisi. Acha kuniende mkuu.
Kwa tuna connect maji, sasa siwezi singejua kumwacha mwenyewe.
Ungeniambia Mungu mwenyewe nimetembea hivyo, nimefika hapa juu kabisa.
Takushika. Well, guys, so the water is coming and seriously. Yanakuja. Acha mimi niwahi nipeleke huyu. Wow. So at least I'm rushing back to Nyabuhanse and then take my plumber. So stay tuned, guys. Well, guys, so I want to purchase the elbow here. Elbow ngapi? Come.
Bring me the dancing.
Oh, guys, so I need to purchase this elbow. Then is it can make you run? Yeah, then. Let me check my weight.
68.
68. Elbow za mapipe sio hizi. Hiyo sijui inchi 3 zile kubwa. PVC.
Chacha,
PVC
was PPR.
Chigata.
Inchi ngapi?
Chigata inchi 3 machichi.
Kani wana kama tepi inchi 3. Enta Isimero ni auden. Ama hamakon.
Yana yora sakuwa hantu.
The elbow.
1000.
1000. Na igichungi kia watu nenekere watora. So guys, they're supposed to cut this one here to prevent kuchigata kama chigatas. Yes, this one here. Alright, so I'll show you the importance of that stuff like. Wana kile gati kire kote. Chiki na ze, karama sano kira tero. Sisi mara mia tuwekeni. Well, guys, so right now I'm heading with my plumber at home. So today we are going to finish the work. So the kids are here. You have the sheep alongside the road, guys, grazing. Look, that's the sheep, and that's my baby. So that being said, early in the morning that I'm going to take my baby. Woo! Hey! Wow! So look, the kids are going to school, guys. Wow! it now up to home, guys. See how roads looks like. Look. It's advanced. Wow. So today we are going to keep the mission for the tank, and I will be free, and then I'll go back to installation of the tiles, guys, you know. So this week, so by tomorrow, by God's grace, is to start maybe putting tiles one-on-one up to where my pocket can reach. Sometime I will be block, totally block, guys, and then I keep my silence, guys. This is what it is. This is my baby, guys. Guys, we back home. That's my baby over there, and I was company with my plumber here. So today, Zima radio. So today we want to put that dropper here, you know, here. So that's my plumber, and also Mama, I'm back. As my sister, say hello. Usuna shika hapa nilikukataza. So and then we put here and also here. So those elbow will fix here and also here and here, and then I think so here, and those stuff which I bought like trapping net I wanna fix inside here. So inside here, you see that over there? So to prevent those leaves don't interfere with my tank, and it wanna make maybe the pipe will be. Wow, there's my home. Doutora Kumar. Doutora Kumar. So the work is starting, guys, officially. And can you ready my so right. Nenda mama kunawisha mkono. Mpeleke majini machafu. Nenda mchukue. Wow. So you see, and I will purchase the cement, 1 bag, and then I'll make concrete here. Sasa hanaona tupere mbove. Nisimiti.
Ndio maana nimeweka hii ndani.
Ndio nakwambiaje?
Yes, you are right.
Nikija kukorogea hapa.
No problem, you are
Maybe kileta shida utabomoa tena.
Hapa iwezi kuleta shida kwa sababu there is no joint inside here.
Okay.
If there could be a joint inside here, then
Yes, I want to put the concrete here because for sake of this pipe, you see the pipe running there. We have another joint here for the elbow, so I want to put the gum. Kwani joint zilikuwa ngapi mbili? Sasa nitabidi uinyanyue ito. Yule eka gum.
hiyo ina shida. Najua penye nataka gani. Bangi na hivi.
Egeriko. Mama, what is that?
Wali.
This rice, wali. Hey, mama, nowadays.
Começa a chilitengu chiku.
Sasa mbona tairibu hamukisafisha? Usinakupa wake toretu. Manche ngoka. So we are going to border town, me and my plumber. We purchased this, we calling PVC U special adhesive gold special. So we are going to border town, so I didn't manage to make a video. So today when it's raining anytime, water goes inside. Mama, ona, chukua mtoto peleke kwa mama yake ampe chakula. This gum for attachment. Ui. Nkamiguru. See, put around the glue. Tahira machokoro nyahara na rasumbra banta. Machokoro. Tu ambon serienge pachaji. Dusina manch. Oh guys, the guru touch me. That's the one serienge boyan. So we have already cut this one and then we use for other side. Gun pipe. Go up. So there is a remaining pipe here, guys. This one.
Okay. Then take a piece of care.
Yeah. This is the pieces that I needed. Yeah, that gum, guys, touched me on my toes, but it's okay. It's because of the work. So I must be very, very careful with that glue. Oh, guys. So I want to take my jacket inside my house. So it's so hot right now because when I'm at home, I try to join the elbow and we shall see what's going on. Okay, Muslim. And imagine, guys, I bought the elbow from Village Grandpa Hardware. This one goes to 250 Kenyan shillings. That's almost 2 USD each, and they are 4. This 1, 2, 3, 4, and then the trapping net for putting maybe here to prevent some leaves from the trees going, and then it can maybe bring some problem with my pipe. So far so good. You see, my plumber is applying the glue. Si hata hapa nitakoroga hii sehemu. Kwa sababu sijui tingiziki. Okay. Ai. Mbache baranyana mara.
Hakuna kitu kama hiyo bwana. Una imani na kazi yako ni.
Sikwenye kitaka kubomoa kitu abudu pasue.
Sasa.
So you want to connect this one coming this way. See ile T iko hapo. Ile T.
T gani?
Wow. So this water is coming here, and that one here. Look. Sine si moja mbili. Si kwa sababu hiyo T kuna yenye itakuja straight. Tatu. Si ukiweka hii T hapa kimfano. Ukiweka hii T hapa. Umeweka elbow hapa. Si inakuja direct. Hii ukiweka hapa ndio utaweka elbow pale na hapa. All my calculation is bad. Chacha bono kyankubule ibica bibira kyorato nawe sa gusika ha ibibania sindiko sambele keke. We done manually with the ora hetera oh guys, so we try to reduce the height. Strongest plumber ever. And then there's T. That's the dropper. And it's so expensive, man. Here. And you put the trapping net. Kuranda. Oh, Kurhanwig. Somewhere here, guys. That. I'll show you everything, guys, from A to Z. And if you maybe you are installing the tank at your home, you learn something new from my plumber. Yeah. Wow. Hey. Amazing job. Look. Man. Wow, we are hurrying because of time. This is so, that being said, the purpose of the elbow is this one here, and then Ni ndefu. Ama turudishe. Kimukerere. So takebano kya kundigi. Mata kihiri gotore. Doracho atiken. Wow. So we fix them to be strong. No one who can push it. Amazing, guys. Look. And then water go inside there. No problem. Usinge mukiri buku. Mambe keno sasa. No ate migidunga hano. Atote migidunga kata heke. And then this one, yeah. So the elbow will be here. Wow, today we kill the job, guys. God is good all the time, man. Hey, me, I will show you everything. I'm the guy who showing you everything. Maybe how things were being done. Look. So the work, you'll see the elbow here. So here elbow goes 3. This 1, 2, 3, and the last one will go over there. Keno wate mere misumari. And then this dropper we fixed here, and we came with another dropper, so we fixed here. Try to imagine. No problem, guys. So let me show you. Because of the power, guys, we try to use manually or in local way. This is the panga we place into the fire, and you see the smoke, guys. Means this panga is so hot, man. We are son. So, wari ku make sure ga chat. Hey. Haruma yanto kwimukiri hano hati hanze. Bono ndaho hano wimukiri. Tuma harga anto yimukiri hano ha henge ya manze ka Kenya. And then we created the hole here, guys. That's a hole, and then the elbow would be there. Tambo sambege kivi. Here. Tambo sambege kivi. Yes, we want this elbow to be. Kimweso ya seram. Usino lengeri pai.
Eso seramo, eso empakame. Sino mandi leta apaka.
So, nkiketa merhayo. Toko kianga nege kivi.
Na kivi. No, tras walking sa nege.
Kivi kivi.
Kan niko.
Kana mbona piombera mbira kwa mbo. Wei?
Iya ina shida hata kononi.
Vili chana manji.
Hebu soke bila.
Nyahora di koro Kan tu kuchorera ini. Toka hapa. Asa yanke okoli. Niko torega.
Guys, it's not a joke.
So they want to put here some gum. So when water coming there with a force, it can't push this elbow. You know what I mean? Ambe kama no ninche to ambe to gore nera.
Iga?
Kama no ninche rukumbea.
Nchelo hiki.
Kwa hivyo isirole pele na amapate. Yeah, so we try to apply the glue there for PVC.
Lapisi wakaikuja vipi?
Ka.
Tanga tira.
Kanto okeng hati.
Tira mtia.
Usinene gas.
Kisha unganisha hapo tu wasiana kazi.
Wasu unataka kuunganisha PVC hapo. Yeah, guys. So, yeah, work. Aku kisinggira mono nare nabe. I prayed today, it's wanna raining today guys. Look the cloud. Somehow black and car.
Ah, shit man.
Nakusikiza maombi jangu karibu. Shit man. Hey man, it's long time my family wait to use water and it's long time, you know. So guys, because right now no rain, so we try to put water. You heard? Yeah, going.
Tukuma slow.
Monogatache.
Mpaka gaichore mono, mpaka gaichore.
Mohe.
Mpaka gaichore mono garache. Mpaka gaichore mono sasa.
Sasa kabura kanyera kumeteka kai. Eh?
Sasa tunaenda wapi?
Take jack kwa nyumba. Next unaweka drop.
Wapi tuweka drop wapi?
Si ni madrop unaweka. Hapo.
Imetoka.
Yeah, hujapigilia msumari kitu hapo.
Unapigilia msumari? Kweli?
So you see the purpose of putting this trapping net on the elbow section. This one like here or on top here. So that being said, when it's raining it will maybe bring some leaves. Look guys, you see. So after removing that pipe, look, wow, look there. Oh guys, so it's evening time and I want to see the work, and actually maybe you are done the medication for the joint. We try to apply the stuff here. I don't know by its name, and I want to show you GP, general purposes, silicone sealant. So where we have some joining of the gutters, we add, you can see like this one here. So my plumber is try to add them. Wow. So when water is flow here, doesn't penetrate outside. I'll see you. Penetrate. So when you apply that one is forever.
No, sometimes it come off, so you have to
Add,
refill.
refill. Oh. Wow. Also, let me show you that stuff. See? Look. Oh. Chukua jambo tu ama chukua jambo tu hapa. Akolo itatumika. Heri kuweke huko ndani. So today guys, by God's grace I finish everything. So by tomorrow I wanna move. We put here the adjustment of the pipe or the gutters, and then we put the dropper. So the dropper is this one here. So my mason, they tried to cut those gutters to adjust them. So I'll show you the work for those gutters is to adjust here and also here enable. So guys, sorry, the battery went off. So you see, so we want to adjust the gutters, so it's able to put that we calling dropper, gutter stopper, and gutter dropper, which okay.
This is the drop, this one.
Okay, this is drop. If you know, you know, guys. That's what I get to make it tear. So kick it on the road.
Kitire.
I'll go check it out. Oh. Oh, guys. Amazing job. And then we apply that glue here, so to cover those places. Hey, we finished finally. So we are doing this stuff here. So we try to take the sun back. Wow, guys. So I knock my head, guys, because this place is the house is too short. So guys, honestly, I have already finished solve the problem, and I want to say thank you so much, guys, for your full support. Right now I've already finished solve the problem here and there. So in case when it's raining, maybe today, man, when it's raining today, I have no pressure. I want to say thank you so much by your full support, guys, by watching my videos, and also for those people who are supporting me in other way, maybe to fix the tank. I want to say thank you so much. May God bless you abundantly, guys. So I have more to do, but I had on the comment section, hello baby, finish maybe installing your mother tank and then you go to the toilet there. So by tomorrow I want to brought the mason to take the measurement, and when it's take the measurement immediately, I want the mason to fix 2 toilets or 1 washroom and a toilet. So right now my big problem was being here. So here guys, I mean this way and this way guys. If you're watching my recent video guys, I was taking and finishing here guys. You know this, I solved the problem on this. Wow, this one here. So that is it about yes. Wow, so the solution have been already been solved, and the only thing that remaining here is to allow water going inside, man. Imagine, so crazy. Oh, wow. At least it's not touching somewhere there. Wow. So it can't catch those places. The water will be running from there, coming this, imagine guys, from there, coming this way, and then enter here. So we have already fixed the trapping net there, and then here, also this one run from over there guys, coming this way, and then meet there, and then the water will be running direct guys. So far so good. I want to say thank you so much. I've already finished this one, and by tomorrow my work is to work on tiling. So guys, I want to say the place where you see that I'm messing, just correct me. So by tomorrow I want to fix the tiles. So when it reach there, or when my pocket reach at a particular point, I stop guys, and then you will see. So let me take you outside, and this video I want to end right now. Wow, so I want to end my video guys. At the same time guys, my baby is here right now. I put some gas or gasoline. Wow, so tomorrow's, by God willing, is to fix the tiles, man. I'm so happy. So in the morning I was being here, so by tomorrow is to fix maybe I will start from my mom first, maybe washroom and toilet, and then the remaining maybe I will want to fix here, because this place it would have been affected by rain. So I want to fix the tiles here round. So guys, that's the work for tomorrow, and I want to say guys, thank you so much. May God bless you for those people watching my videos until the end. Wow, nothing is impossible, you know. Ooh. See, to hang clothes outside like this. So that's the real life in our village here. Nothing may change, but sometime some activity change, you know. Wow. So I'm just around at home chilling here. So I was escorting my plumber, and also I come back. Oh, I don't know why my camera is too black. I don't know. Wow guys, so I want to end my video by saying guys, thank you so much. May God bless you. Let's meet for the next videos, which is tomorrow guys. Bye.